if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm actually going to be doing a recreation of this eye makeup look that I saw on Instagram a while back, and this is by Bang Siki Siki, I think that's how you say it. Her makeup is absolutely amazing. She actually was the one who helped inspire me for the scarecrow makeup that I did back in October, so if you guys want to check that out, I will leave that linked in the description box below. But she's so incredibly talented, and I don't really ever do makeup looks that is just primarily focused on the eye. I kind of like to incorporate a bunch of different stuff. So this was a lot of fun to definitely kind of focus on one specific area of my face that isn't just like body painting or something like that. So I really enjoyed doing it. So if you want to see how you can recreate this makeup look, just keep watching. Hey guys, so to get started, we're going to be taking our NYX Photo Loving Primer and just applying that all over our face to fill in those pores so we have a nice base for our foundation. Then we're going to be taking our Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation in medium sand and going ahead and applying that all over our face using a large buffing brush. Next, I will be taking my NYX HD Concealer in Fair, and I'm just going to be applying that to the areas that I would like to highlight. So that is going to be under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, temples, under my cheekbones, cupid's bow, and chin. Once we're finished with that, we're just going to be taking our ColourPop F5 and we're going to be going ahead and blending that out. I absolutely adore this brush. I feel like it is basically better than a beauty blender, but that's just my personal opinion, and I absolutely love it to blend out my concealer. Next, we'll be taking our Airspun Translucent Powder and a dry Morphe sponge, and we're going to be applying this all over the areas that we've highlighted with concealer, and this is going to bake and set our concealer so that it lasts longer all day. Next, we're going to be taking our Smashbox 24-Hour Shadow Primer, and we're just going to be applying that to our eyelids so that we can have a nice tacky base for our eyeshadow. Jumping into our Morphe 35B palette, we're going to be taking the white eyeshadow and applying that to our brow bone to give ourselves a nice highlight right under our eyebrow. Then we're going to be moving on to this cream eyeshadow from the palette, and we're going to be applying that right under the white eyeshadow so we can have a nice transition into the colorful eyeshadows. Speaking of colorful eyeshadow, we're now going to be taking this soft tangerine color in a fluffy brush and just applying that into the crease, making sure to blend it out so there aren't any harsh lines. Then we're going to be going back into this darker mango color, and we're going to be applying that into the outer corner, softly blending into the inner corner as well. Once again, making sure to blend that out. Next, we'll be taking this bright pink color and we're going to be applying that mostly to the outer corner and then softly bringing it into the inner corner just to blend it. And once again, taking your blending brush and blending it out. As you can see, there's a little bit of a trend going on with making sure to blend as you go. Next, we will be taking this soft pink and lilac shimmer colors and we're going to be applying that right up onto our lid just to kind of add some color. Then we're going to be going over it with our yellow metallic eyeshadow just so we can kind of brighten it up a bit. Next, we'll be taking our NYX Strictly Vinyl Eyeliner, and this is in the color Crone, and we're just going to be creating half of a winged eyeliner. So we're going to be starting off from the outer corner, working our way to the very middle of the eye, and then stopping. We're going to be going back into it later to kind of make it look a little bit more abstract, but for now you just kind of want to create this nice, simple, basic shape. Next, we're going to be taking this magenta color from the palette, taking a small eyeshadow brush, and just applying that into the crease. I felt like it was kind of naked, so I wanted to kind of deepen it up a little bit, and this definitely made it look really pretty. Then you just want to make sure to blend it out a little bit. You don't have to worry about blending out too much because this is where we're starting to make it look more abstract. Next, you'll be taking your NYX Epic Ink liner and we're going to be going right over the wing from earlier and connecting it towards the inner corner of the eye. Now, it kind of looks like they're just going to blend in, but trust me, once we go back in with the Strictly Vinyl eyeliner and add more definition, you can definitely see the difference between the purple and the black winged liner. So I'm just going to be taking it and creating some soft strokes to kind of scatter it and make it look like it's almost been ripped, so we can just have an uneven edge towards the inner corner and middle of the eye. Next, we will be taking these three NYX crystal liners and we're just going to be applying that onto our crease. Once again, you don't have to worry about this being perfect. As you can see, I'm actually creating the crease color and then going right under it to connect it to the wing. And I'm just rotating between the gold and the silver, and then I'm going to be taking this iridescent color right onto the lid. Next, we're going to be brushing away the excess translucent powder so that we can get to our under eye eyeshadow. Once again, I'm going to start off by taking this light tangerine and mango color, and I'm just going to be sweeping that right under my lash line before going in with this magenta color in the outer corner. Once again, you want to make sure to blend this out so it doesn't look harsh. Next, we will be taking our glitter liners again and just applying that to the inner corner and lower part of our lash line. Taking our Too Faced Cocoa Contour Kit, taking medium and dark cocoa, we're then going to start off by contouring and chiseling out our cheeks. So I'm going to be applying this to the jawline, under my cheekbones, and my temples as well. Then we're going to bronze it up by taking our Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just sweeping that all over our face to give a nice sun-kissed glow. Next, we'll be taking our Lorac blush and tinge and just applying that to the apples of our cheeks before moving on to highlight. I'm taking my NYX Duochromatic highlighter, and then this is in the color Snow Rose, and I'm just applying that to the areas that I would like to highlight. Then I'm also going to be applying it to the inner corner of my eye as well. To prep our eyelashes, we're going to curl them before going into our Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara and just sweeping that through our eyelashes. I have recently been really loving this mascara. I actually had tried the trial size in a kit last year, and I've just been waiting to buy the full size, and I definitely absolutely love it and recommend it. I'm not quite sure I like it more than my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but at the time I got these for $10 each because Tarte was having a sale, so keep an eye out for those sales. They can be really helpful sometimes. Moving on to lips, I'm taking my Bite number 16 lip pencil and just outlining my lips. I do have a slightly uneven lower lip, so I kind of take this step to try and even it out as much as possible. Next, I'm taking my Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and this is in Lolita, which is kind of a staple for her collection, and I really like it. I hadn't used it in a while, so I'm really happy that I kind of started using it again because it's absolutely beautiful and it's really comfortable too. Next, I'm taking my Ardell Faux Mink eyelashes in the number 811, and I actually got these from H-E-B. I think they're new, so I really like them. I definitely recommend them if you guys want to try them out. So next, I'm taking my Tarteist lip paint, and this is in the color FOMO, and as much as I love my Lolita liquid lipstick, I wasn't a huge fan of the color it was giving for this look specifically, so I just applied this right over top, and it definitely gave the exact color I was going for, so I definitely loved layering these. Plus, it didn't get sticky when I layered them. They were actually quite comfortable, and I really love the texture of the lip paint. Next, I'm going back in with my NYX Epic Ink liner and going right over that lash band just to blend in the fake lashes with my natural lash line. And that is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below what video you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!